When we actually look at cloud computing, we actually support the journey to cloud via many things, direct and indirect. So today, for example, our solutions come to you via hardware appliances and virtual appliances. So right there, as you actually going through the transition and the transformation as an organization, if you would like to adopt more and more this virtualized infrastructure, we fit in it. So we're not going to be an inhibitor to that. The second thing is about how do we allow organizations, you talked about MSPs, the ability to basically say, okay, I am going to actually fire up some CPUs to create a VM, to run an Oracle application on it, What we're going to be able to do is we're going to say, well, the time that it used to take you to create that application, to make it ready to become something that users can consume, depends on many steps in terms of, creating the VM, allocating, storage, allocating security, and, one of them is actually networking the VM, so it is now reachable. There was human latency between the time that it took you to actually create the application and the time you can actually allocate it IP addresses and register in DNS so it becomes reachable. We actually integrate with the likes of Microsoft and VMware and other organizations that focus on virtualization, such that when you throw the VM out, automatically the VM actually contacts Infoblox, secures an IP address, registers itself in DNS, and voila. So the time that it actually takes organizations to deploy is much shorter. The amount of complexity that it takes to do that is gone.
It's